Hey, so how to import data from Amazon to Xero. In this video, I'm going to share a really cool app with you that allows you to do just that. It's called Link My Books. And in the description of the video, you are going to find a free trial of Link My Books plus free onboarding. There's going to be a special link in the description plus 50% off for 3 whole months, special coupon code so you can save money. So Link My Books can help you with Amazon to Xero integration. So sync Amazon payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately. So Link My Books basically is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. Save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So basically you can connect and integrate Amazon with Xero or QuickBooks, but also Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce. And also the Link My Books app can be used by e-commerce sellers and by accountants and bookkeepers that manage e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller and you want to understand how to use Link My Books, how it all works, in the description of the video, I have another video link for you where myself, Vova Even, great to meet you, seller on Amazon, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, show you how to use Link My Books from A to Z. It's a 30-minute tutorial where we show you the basics and generally how the flow of work goes with Link My Books. Of course, I also recommend you using the link in the description to get a free trial and get free onboarding. So use the video, watch it, understand how it works, plus get the free onboarding, and people from Link My Books will be glad to help you. Another option, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper and you have e-commerce clients, so you can use Link My Books also, again, as an accountant or bookkeeper. Because again, with all the automations of this platform, you can have better accuracy with your practice, less errors, and hopefully you're going to do things faster so you can hopefully onboard more clients and hopefully grow your business. So if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, we have another video for you down in the description with Daniel Little and myself, Vova Even, Amazon seller, where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. It's a 41-minute tutorial where we show you step by step how to use Link My Books. Again, if you're an accountant or a bookkeeper. So again, all the links are in the description, free trial, free onboarding for Link My Books. It can help you with the data import from Amazon to Xero or to QuickBooks, and with all the other platforms that I mentioned, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce. Free trial, free onboarding, link in the description, and also special coupon code, 50% off for 3 whole months. All the tutorial videos are there. And also the tutorial videos are going to appear here on the screen now. First video is going to be the one that shows you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. And the second one is going to be the one that shows you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. And my name is Vova Even, Amazon seller, also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from the deal at no extra cost to you. This way you can support my free content. Truly grateful for that. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And visit me also at vovaeven.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.